How's everybody doing this morning? It's early, and we're here in San Antonio. Don't worry, I got a mask. So, turn this around. We're out here at the classic section. I'm out here looking for a seat for Ecto. Shame, 69. So now I gotta find where the Cadillac section is. So let's go back this way, because I'm seeing Oldsmobiles here. So see if we can. Well, here we go. I think I found her. I believe this. Oh, maybe not. Ouch. I think this is the one I looked at before. And there we go. 1962 Cadillac. Oh. So I can see how bad the bolts are. It looks like it's going to come out fairly easy. Ooh, man. Let's look here if I can get to the bolt. Oh, this is going to be a pain. Alright, let's see here. There we go. I don't know if this is a manual seat or is it electric. I'm hoping it's a manual, because it's going to be a pain in the... You know what to get it out if it's electric. So let's see. Where... Oh, it's... Oh, no, it's electric. Oh, brother. That's not good. Alright, so I'm going to look around and see what else I can find. If not, I'm probably going to have to fight with this 62. So let's see what else they got. Plus, I want to check out this 68 and see what else is left on it. Old Corvair. Oh, it's going to be a pain in the butt. I got a feeling about it. It being an electric seat. I mean, it's nice to have an electric seat, don't get me wrong, but not having any power out here, I can't move the seat to get to the bolts that I need. So it just makes it tougher. And I honestly think that's the only... Well, hold on here. We got another 62, but I think the seat is gone from it. Dang, it's a shame, and I needed one of those lenses. Well, that really bites. Look around to see. Maybe they took the seat out and just left it sitting somewhere, maybe? No, yes, no? Come on. Can't get that lucky. Alright. See, I also need these plastic the metal inserts here too. But it's got the... I like those inserts, but they're both missing. Oh. Alright. So I found another 62. So let's hope there's one more that doesn't have an electric seat in it. Alright, I don't see nothing down that way. Let's go on over. Oh, come on, there's got to be at least one more. All I'm starting to see is nothing but Oldsmobile. there's an old Tornado. Bet you that motor's gone. Oh yeah, someone got a nice 455 out of that. There's another old Tornado. Oh, yeah, I'd say it's the 455 still sitting in that. Someone took the heads off of it. Yes, that's how far they'll keep them out here, until you take pieces off the frame. Oh, I hate to say it, but I think that 162 is going to be my best bet. I will check here in a little bit, Broly, and see if there is any. I'm sure there is, but I think they're more back that way. If there is, I will take some pictures and send to you. But yeah, that's the only 62 seat so far that I'm seeing, and man, it's just gonna... I think price is gonna depend on that one, because if it's way high, there's just no way of fighting it. There's a 73 fastback. So I want to check that 68. Because there's a 68 two-door that I got parts off last time I was up here. And I kind of wanted to get the motor out of it, but I'm not going to worry with it today. But I just want to see what's all still there. Well, there's still Cadillacs this way. Maybe I've got a chance. Looks like well, this one's definitely a nice one to go to. A lot of sirens. Alright, let's see here. Oh, I got an old Firebird down there. Here's the 68 that I came up here and got parts off of last time. I was wondering when someone was going to try to take the 442 VIN out of this. Whoa. Doesn't look like much has changed on it. Last time I got the hood and some other little pieces. But still got a lot of good parts. I kind of want the engine out of it, just for the simple fact it's number 5 heads. So it's original 68. Someone's gutted it pretty good. It did have bucket seats and a floor shifter, but I missed out on it. Well, let's walk down this back row because these are all new vehicles in over here. And then I'll see about getting that seat out. Wish a seat like this would work, but it's just too small. It's not long enough. Well, that one's new. 71 Cutlass Supreme. Shame about that 70 bumper, though. If anybody's looking for good quarters. Well, they make patch panels down there. Alright. me check that 66 here. Someone already got to it. It's another 64, 65 down here. Yeah, the seats are just not long enough. Well, unfortunately, looks like I'm gonna be fighting that Chevy. They only have 162 out here, and the only reason why it still has a seat is because it's a manual. I mean, it's electric. Oh, so this is gonna be a fun day. And we're not allowed to bring car batteries or anything in here to get it moving. Oh, that's a nasty seat. All right. Well, you'd think that they'd leave a little room to get to a bolt. I don't know how many bolts is holding this dang thing on. Looks like it's to the end. Well, I see a bolt there. All right. I'm gonna jump off of here and start assessing this and seeing what it's gonna take. Man, you know, this seat even looks short. Huh. All right, well, I'm gonna get to it. Oh, I kicked its butt. Now it's time to head back to Corpus. Ooh, it's not a bad seat. It needs a little help. Oh, and I'm tired. Oh man, that was a long one. So if you like my video, subscribe, comment below. I'm going to be putting out some more videos. I know I said I was before in other videos, but I've just been so busy just getting things done. So hope everybody's staying safe during this uncertain time. So I'm out of here. I'm ready to get in that cold truck.